go without saying that we need to test just to see how the Stage 1 GoPowerSports kit goes, because I never really tested it before, and I'm curious to see how this thing will perform. So let's go and get started. At our famous spot for drifting with banding, and I'm gonna be the first one. Brendan here is gonna go second in just a little bit. Also inexperienced. Dude, it's like every person I choose are inexperienced. What do you think of the trike, man?
It looks awesome.
Yeah? How are you feeling right now? Like, do you feel nervous?
No.
No? Oh, you feel? Yeah, are you filled with determination?
Yeah.
Okay then. Well, if you want to take the camera, I'm gonna go first. The throttle screw, I'm assuming I can get a little more oomph in the throttle and accelerate in top speed, so I'm going to do that top speed run just now. Got a little iPod down there. I apologize in quality or in advance of the quality. It's old, but you know it serves great. Let's do this. So my phone is saying 23.8 in my pocket, but it's saying 25.6 on the coaster there. The only downside to that is I lost my phone and it cracked. Well, I have a glass screen protector, thank God, but I don't know which one to it's fine, I got it. I don't know which one to do. I'm just gonna call it 25. So yeah. What do you want to do, Brendan? Do you want to go next, or do you want me to go for a little more?
Yeah. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, Brendan, how do you feel, dude? Yeah? Give me a pose. I'm gonna get you a picture to send it to you. There you go. All right. So I just gave him the basics of drifting, from initial to just rolling and counter steering. I'm just gonna see how he does. You gotta take it easy. The header sleeve is smoking, that is fine. Put that key in the on position for me. Okay, and if you need to kill it, just put it back to the green. You wanna practice that really quick? Perfect, all right, put it on. Cool, all right. Take it nice and easy. Ready? Ready?
Yep.
There you go. Oh. Look at that flag too. Smash that like button for the placement of that flag because America. Oh, there he goes. He almost had it. Whoa. Dude, you... There he goes. Whoa, geez, hello. Zoom out. So that's gonna do it just for the testing here. Brendan, did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
Let's see, where are you? Did you have fun?
Yep.
Good. So now we know what it feels like. Holy crap, it's fast. You can, I mean, governor or not, you can feel that there's a gain in performance. I felt like I sent it. So yeah, we're gonna make it back to the truck now. He's gonna spend the night with me, and then we'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. All right, folks, so we are now on the way to the 4th of July for the 3rd year down in Estacada, Oregon. The traffic has been clear. It's supposed to be probably about 79 degrees today. And, well, traffic so far has been good. Brendan's being my cameraman as usual. So, yeah, just gonna enjoy the drive there, I guess. At my iPod camera and got some of that footage there, but thank you guys so much for watching the parade. You guys in Estacada, you're awesome. Thank you so much for having me again. You guys loved it. I'm pretty sure about that. My voice is dead because I was yelling. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. So, it is now October 13th, 2019. And this video was supposed to come out a little bit after the 4th of July. I apologize for the massive delay. And it's because, if you can tell just by this room setup here, and, well, how it sounds in here, you will probably know by now I've entered my 3rd year in my mechanical engineering degree at George Fox University. And I just needed to commit more time to finishing this year than making some YouTube videos. So I'm really sorry in advance, but it's just I'm not, like I've said in many videos before, I'm not done here on YouTube. It's just I haven't had the time and I haven't had the commitment to do stuff, but I know, like, in the back burner I still want to make content for you guys. But at the same time, you know, with the trike kind of hitting a plateau of completion at the moment, it wasn't just much to do. So, however, now that I've come to this point and I actually want to finish this video, I do want to talk about some of the post-carnage that happened at the 4th. First off, I also apologize that there was no footage of the parade, like I had like a perspective view for the last 2 with the sidekick. I thought my iPod was recording, but it turns out I couldn't tell from the screen because it was really light outside. Also, I'm really sorry about that. My arm is getting tired. So So I couldn't tell if my iPod was recording or not, and it turns out when I hit it a second time, it stopped recording. And it's hard to see, like, in the direct sunlight. But here's some photos people took of me here at the parade. Thank you, Estacada, so much for letting me come out and whatnot. You guys, you can tell by my voice I was pretty knackered and whatnot. My voice was pretty dead because I was yelling, "Who wants to do it? Let's make some noise," and all that fun stuff. So there's that. Otherwise, for the trike, though, let's talk about that. So the first thing that happened is the kill switch. Due to the vibrations on the scenes being tossed around from Brennan and I riding, and also at the parade, the kill switch ground disconnected, and I couldn't turn it off on the key, but I could still thankfully use it or turn it off with the switch. So there was that. And also on top of that, the threads to the seat, or were provided to the seat, also ripped off, or like they just disintegrated, and I didn't have a way to secure the seat, which hence this connected to the ground, and also the seat can just fly off and knock off the person with it. Thankfully, nobody was hurt, but it just got loose to identify, okay, we need to fix this. So as you can see here, I've got some footage of me showcasing some, carriage bolts that go straight through the chair into the frame, and then the ground is reconnected there, and it should not be going anywhere this time, period. So that problem is fixed. Second off, my old sleeves, the first set, they finally cracked, gave in. I noticed when I was doing a burnout, I got a little bit of an up kick, and I almost rocketed off straight into the audience by accident. I'm sorry, guys, if I freaked anybody out. But that was because they cracked and they chipped. They were getting to the wear and tear zone, and, well, it was time for them to get replaced. So, Ted Reel from Ted's Excavation Services, if you're watching this, thank you so much for providing me these new sleeves of this compound, this soft ABS-like compound. It's not really ABS, it's not really PVC. I'm not really sure what it is, but it has a really thick wall thickness. It's soft, and I'm open to experiment with this. So far, it has been working great. I've cut a first set of 5-inch sleeves, but however, it's been hard to keep them on the tire. It's probably because I cut them too long, and I might mean to shorten it down because the tire is having trouble like holding it in when pressurized, when the air is inflated, if you get what I mean. So I cut a set of 4 inches, and they seem to be working, but I've left Bandit to kind of just rest in the garage while I'm here at George Fox. I've cold started it recently, actually, this month on, I think, October 2nd, or like the end of September. I cold started it. It took about 20 pulls scarily, but that's just because I haven't started it since like early August and what have you. So there's that. And then last but not least, I wanted to show some support to Northwest Technologies, who originally made the frame, because today, October 13th, is the 1-year anniversary that this trike was built. So, like, pretty much the completion date was 1 year ago today. I've had it since then, and it's great. It's great to own Bandit for a year now. Other than that, I think that was most of the highlights of the carnage that happened to the trike. So, future plans. I want to talk about really quick some more future plans for that too. I put on my Christmas list a electric start kit for the Predator 212 non-Hemi. If you YouTube search electric start for Predator, it can be done with the Hemi, but there's vague instructions on how to do that. I hope by the next time we work on this trike, I hopefully give it an in-depth detail and a learning experience, in the sense of me trying to figure out how to install this, and then hopefully in some way this can help you guys that are going to be doing an electric start on your Predator. So that's one thing I'm looking forward to. And then later on down the road, when I gain the welding experience, because I really want to learn how to weld, and I'm working on getting that accomplished here this year. And once, I get the funds to get a welder too, I guess. I want to like experiment with some welding, and maybe further down, like let's revisit the 26-inch wheel. It's what I originally wanted in my original design, but I was restricted to the 20-inch, even though it works. But I gotta have some fun. Anyway, guys, I've got some other videos here hopefully coming in soon. I would love to like continue the Let's Code Mega Man X platformer, maybe some Minecraft stuff. But hit the like button, subscribe if you want to. I've been Caden or Nighthawk, and I'll see you guys later.